Rub an apple on the windshield of the car and watch what happens. This trick was taught to me by the car washer, and you will not believe how well it works. I was surprised, and I don't think you've seen it anywhere else. Many of us love apples, and although this is a very old trick in the world of truck drivers, it is important that you also know it, as it could help you in an emergency. One of the most normal things is that while you are in the car, a strong water leak begins to fall, and that unfortunately the windshield wiper is broken or old and does not work properly. And worse, if there are many people in the car, the windshield may fog up and not let you see to the front. It is something that has happened to all of us at least once. The car washer taught me these two tricks. I tried them, and I love the result. I'm only using one apple. The first thing you have to do is cut half of an apple. Then rub it all over the windshield as I show you. I would like to know from which country you are watching me, so I can send you a special greeting in my next videos. The malic acid that the apple contains creates a Lodo effect, which means that the water will simply roll over the windshield if it does not stick. This will help you have a better vision even on days when a lot of water is falling, especially if the windshield wiper broke and you have no other alternative. With this trick, you will be able to see enough to get to a garage or gas station and buy another windshield wiper. And now I will tell you another incredible trick that you can also do with apples. It is very common for pigeons and other birds to get on top of your car and stain the windshield, the paint of the chassis, and the headlights. Those who have cars know how annoying that is, especially if you just washed it. What the pigeons throw on the car contains corrosive acids that affect the paint of your car, causing stains and wear. And if you let it expose to the sun, you will have to paint it to remove the mark. To solve this, you can always rub the apple on top. The malic acid contained in the apple will remove the stains and will not leave marks, as long as they are fresh and do not have much time there. Today's greeting is for Jen Jaime from Guatemala and for Patty Barajas from Mexico. Thanks for watching our videos faithfully. Help me take this valuable information to someone who needs it.